Hi guys, welcome to Veurinks RV Center, where we've been family owned and operated since 1954. My name is Parker, and today I'm going to give you a video walkthrough of the 337 RET Durango 2500 from KZ-RV. Anytime you have questions throughout the video, please feel free to give me a call or stop in and see me. My number will be on the bottom of the screen throughout the entire video. If you have questions about your trade, financing, just kind of how the whole process works, or anything that I didn't go over in the video, again, please feel free to give me a call. Let's get on with the show. This 337 RET floor plan is a rear entertainment that's going to provide you with a lot of space in the living room area, a lot of seating options, and a lot of storage throughout the coach, inside and out as well. Let's take a look at the living room. Here in the back of the 337, you're going to find your entertainment center with a very spacious area with a lot of seating. To the right of me, you're going to find two swivel recliners with some windows around it and storage above it as well. And then towards the back again, like I said, you're going to have your entertainment center with your electric fireplace that will put out some heat on those chilly mornings and chilly nights. You're going to have your sound bar and radio. You're going to have your TV and some storage along with it. Two windows in the back here. One thing I want to point out with the windows is that KZ did add these nice roller shades. Very easy to put up and put back down too. Easy to keep the sun out and some privacy at night as well. To the left of me, you're going to find a little handy desk here. If you're somebody who likes to work on the road or just have your laptop out and surfing the web at night, you have some options there. And then you're going to have a pull-out sofa here that can be a sleeper as well, but some extra seating with some storage above that as well. And again, a big window behind it there. One thing you'll find with KZ RVs, there are going to be a ton of windows, a lot of natural light coming through too, so you don't always have to have your lights on throughout the coach. Here in the kitchen area of the 337 RET, you're going to find a lot of countertop space, a lot of storage, and just a lot of room to move around as you're prepping your snacks, lunches and dinners and breakfast and whatnot. One thing you're going to notice with every Durango cabinet is going to be 5-inch stainless steel hardware. Very nice, very sharp looking, very durable as well. The cabinets are something I love to point out on the Durangos. That's definitely something I'd want you guys to come on down to the dealership and take a look at too. LG stainless steel microwave oven here. Very large, very easy to fit everything you're going to need to fit in there. LG is a good home brand name too that everybody knows. Down below that, you're going to have your stainless steel oven, your 3-burner cooktop with some storage along there, and like I said, some extra countertop space as well. Moving over here to the island kitchen, you're going to find 4 drawers throughout, which is really nice. It's hard to find drawers nowadays in some RVs, and some more storage here. Solid surface countertops throughout the kitchen area. Very nice, very durable. It's going to feel like you're at home. Very large double bowl sink here as well with solid surface sink covers. And a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer too, making it easy to clean all those pots and pans. Moving towards the back here, you're going to find a 12 cubic foot double door fridge and freezer as well. Plenty of room to fit everything you're going to take with you on your camping trip. And then back behind me here, you're going to find the kitchen hutch. Again, adding more storage and more countertop space as well, outlets, and a couple of USB ports here too. Storage all the way throughout here and all the way through here as well. In this cabinet, you're going to find switches for your gas electric water heater, your tank monitors, your awning light, your floodlight outside, and all that as well. Moving towards the front of the coach, as you walk into the door, you're going to notice this touchpad here. It's an LCI touchpad from Lippert. What this does is actually, it's going to allow you to control your awning, your leveling system, your lighting, and your slides as well. It's also a My RV control panel, which is going to give you some troubleshooting videos, some how-to videos, owner's manuals, and a couple other things there as well, making it very easy just to kind of operate everything, making it easier on yourself too. And as we move towards the bedroom here, you're going to notice you have a thermostat for one of your ACs. You do have 2 ACs on this unit in particular. Now, that might not be the case with another unit that we have on the lot, so please call to confirm which one that you're looking at on the website. Stepping up into the bathroom area, you're going to notice you have a wood pocket door as opposed to a residential door. It's going to make it a lot easier to get through. You don't have to step back and open it up. It's just going to save you a lot of space. In the bathroom, though, this is one of my favorite parts of the 337. You're going to find a lot of storage, a lot of room to move around, a huge shower with a 1-piece fiberglass surround, and a triple glass sliding door. Porcelain toilet down there on your left, and then a linen closet there. As we move over to the sink, you're going to have storage above and below. Nice big open sink. Nowadays, you're seeing a lot of smaller sinks in these RVs. This one gives you plenty of space and plenty of countertop space here, too, to get ready in the morning. Set all your goods there, too. Moving here into the bedroom, this one does have a bed slide So it's going to give you a lot of space in the bedroom and a lot of extra storage as well. One thing I want to point out with the bed is you have 2 windows on both sides of the bed that are able to open, so you can get some nice cross ventilation there as well. You're gonna have, this one features a front closet, tons of hanging space, tons of storage below for your shoes, and a little shelf up above here if you want to put hats, t-shirts, whatever you'd like to put there. Nice big cabinet here with 3 drawers below as well. Right in front of the bed, you have a dresser with 6 drawers as well. Again, a ton of storage in these bedrooms. This coach in particular, we did option with the bedroom TV. Again, that might not be the case with every single one we have on the lot, so please call to confirm which one you're looking at on the website, and we can confirm that for you. Here on the exterior, the first thing I want to point out is your large patio area with your power awning with an LED light strip underneath it. Now, you saw on the inside how you have your normal controls to put it in and out. New on KZ awnings this year and from Lippert Components too is the Smart Arm awning technology. What it does is actually has controls outside of or outside on the awning now as well, so you can put it in and out from here as well. It's super easy. All you do is hold the unlock button for a couple seconds. You'll see the green light come on, and you can put your awning in, and you can put it back out as well. You can turn your light on and off, and you can actually dim your light as well. You have 3 different settings. You have dim, medium, and then high. Also, you have, if we can pan back over here too, you have a wind sensor on it as well, with low, medium, and high options too. That way you don't have to worry about, you know, a gust of wind kicks up. You don't have to worry about getting it in if you're gone or if you're down at the lake or something. It'll automatically take care of it for you. Really excited about that feature. Moving on over here, the first component, or first cargo door I want to show you is going to be where your battery will go with your battery disconnect as well for easy turning it on and off. And then also your auto leveling here. This is going to be equipped with a 4-point electric automatic leveling system. Simply turn it on, hit auto level. It's going to level itself for you. It does have a memory hitch setting on it though, where it will remember where it needs to be height-wise for your vehicle for hooking up and unhooking as well. And the retract all button too, making it easy to get ready to go. One thing you'll notice on all of your baggage doors on the Durangos is slam latch doors. So when you're done, slam it shut and you're all set. One thing unique with the 2500 series is that you have that KZ uses a drop frame. So what that does is gives you uninterrupted pass-through storage here. They use a nice non-slip rubberized kind of flooring here too, but just look at all that storage. You can fit everything that you need to take with you, tubs, anything that you need to take with you, it's going to be able to fit in there. Large door here that is actually held up by a magnet, so no more of those plastic clips or anything like that. And again, slam latch door, so when you're done, shut it and you're all set. One thing I want to touch on real quick, and I can go more in depth with this, a big thing with the 2500s is the construction. A lot of underneath the skin stuff that you can't see, but then also stuff you can see. The fiberglass that they're using is the best that you can use in the industry for travel trailers and fifth wheels. It's a Lamilux 4000 high gloss gel coat. What that means is that it's gonna hold up better over time. It's gonna be a lot easier to clean, and it's just gonna be a lot more durable as well. It's more expensive to use, but when it's something as important as fiberglass, it's gonna, you know, that extra expense is worth it. Moving towards the door area here, you have a 4-step entry with aluminum steps, very light, very easy to put in and out. And then you have your wide door with a large assist grab handle as well. Easy to get in and out if you're carrying things or if the kids are trying to get in and out as well. Here on the back of the Durango, a few new exciting features I want to point out to you. We did equip this one with a roof ladder, making it easy to get up to your roof to do any maintenance, cleaning it off. All Durangos are coming standard with backup camera prep now, so if you'd like to put a backup camera on there, it is a Furrion system. For more information on that, feel free to stop on in and I can explain it or give me a call. One other thing that's standard on Durangos now is a receiver hitch back here if you'd like to put a bike rack on it. For more information on that, again, give me a call or stop on in and we can walk through that too. One thing I want to point out that I did not mention on the inside is that every single light in a Durango, inside and out, are 100% LED lights. Every single light. They'll be brighter, they're going to last you longer. For the interior, they're not going to be as hot, so you're not going to get as much heat coming off them, which is nice too. One thing I want to point out are the windows as well. Durango uses frameless windows, which have a lot of advantages to them. One, they're going to be a sleeker look. Two, they're a little better insulated because the seal is on the inside. 3, you can actually leave them open during the rain because they do pop out like this as opposed to sliding, so you're not going to get moisture in there. And then also, you're not going to get a black streak from them during the rain as well, since the seal's on the inside. A lot of advantages there. I want to show you the convenience center, so let's take a walk over there. On the off-door side here of the Durangos, a few things I want to point out that really separate us from this class of fifth wheels. First being the water heater. Your typical water heater is going to be 6-gallon or even 10-gallon. This is going to be a 12-gallon gas electric water heater, so even larger, giving you plenty enough hot water for your showers, washing dishes, anything that you really need it for. And then your convenience center. It's going to be a heated and enclosed convenience center where everything is going to be located in the same spot for filling your tanks, emptying your tanks, cleaning your tanks out, winterizing if you do that on your own, if you'd like to fill your fresh water, if you're going to use the city water at the park. You also have an outside shower with hot and cold options. You have your cable and satellite hookups. A big plus where it kind of is almost like a motorhome type convenience center is you have a water pump switch on the exterior and interior as well. So if you forget to turn it on inside, you don't have to go all the way back around, turn it on. You have it right there for you. But having it all one and located in the same spot, it's easy to get to, very easy to walk through because of the dialogue they have there, and the color-coded switches too. And then again, this will be your other side of your pass-through storage. Now, another big perk is going to be your propane tanks. You're going to have 2 30-pound tanks located on the same side. Easy to access, easy to get to, easy to refill. Down below, one thing I want to point out is that our Durangos come standard with the JT strong arm jacks. Now, nice thing about those is once they're on, they're on. There's no taking them off, putting them back on. Only thing you have to remember to do is if you do tighten them down, you're just going to have to loosen them back up before you put your jacks up. This is going to help stabilize the fifth wheel even more. It's already very, very stable. It's always nice to have that extra support, and the convenience of them really is just a big plus. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of the 337 RET Durango 2500 from KZ-RV. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and like the video. Go to our Facebook as well and like it. Let us know how we're doing by leaving a comment as well. If you have any questions, come on in and see me. Again, my name is Parker, and you can reach me at 616-965-9605. Thank you again from me and everybody at Veurinks RV Center.